welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. And if you're a kick-ass person just looking for a little bit of extra motivation or a little bit of extra encouragement, as do we all, don't forget to join the community down below by subscribing. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I know you're badass. Whether it's motivation, productivity, or weight loss, let's do this together because we are stronger as a group. So today is a Fall Clean With Me motivation video, and it is extra special because I am collabing with YouTuber Corey Hart, which is also doing a Fall Clean With Me, but we are actually doing fall treats / Halloween treats that you and your family can enjoy, so stay tuned because it is going to be awesome, motivational, and delicious. So after watching this video, please go head over and watch her video. She is an amazing person. I love her genuine personality, and I don't know, there's just something about her that's just, I went through like all of her past videos. It's just, you're gonna love her. So I will be putting her video link and her channel link down below in my description box. And do me a favor, if you are from my channel visiting her channel, go let her know that I sent you. Let's say a quick hi because we love the comments. If you're coming over from her channel, hi, welcome. I am so happy to have you, and I hope you like the videos. One of the quickest ways to beat overwhelm and procrastination is choosing one of the hardest tasks first. This task is the one you are most likely to procrastinate on. It's also the task that can have the greatest positive impact on your life and results at the moment. Mark Twain said that if the first thing you do each morning is eat a live frog, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing it's probably the worst thing that's going to happen to you all day long. And your frog is your biggest, ugliest task, so do the worst first. For me, that task is exercise. It's easy to not give myself that time knowing I have other tasks to accomplish, so I have to get it done before I start making excuses for it. I think some days pushing to get started feels really hard, and then other days sometimes starting really isn't the hardest part. It's keeping going when we want to quit. But just remember, there will be better times ahead if we persist. Then after making my bed, I shower to really wake myself up and get to laundry. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like more dirty clothes pile up when the kiddos are home all day. So for time management purposes, I like to do this first thing in the morning so that they're washing while I take care of other things. Alright guys, I wanted to show you really quick how to make pumpkin pie overnight oats. Guys, it tastes like you're eating a dessert for breakfast. Sometimes I just have it as a snack. It is so good. So I have all the ingredients out. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Alright, these are all the ingredients to make our dessert overnight oats. You excited? If not, you should be. We're starting off with half a cup of oats, a half cup of milk of your choice, 2 to 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I'm doing 4 because pumpkin spice life, am I right? Next, I add brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and pumpkin spice and stir it all together. It should be decently thick. Then you want to put half of the mix in a mug, container, or mason jar. I'm going to use this cute little pumpkin container that I have. And then you want to add some walnuts or pecans on top, or however you pronounce it, pecans, or pecans. Then add a delicious whipped cream center and just spread it out evenly, then repeat another layer of oats, nuts, and whip topping to top it all off. I also like adding a little bit of cinnamon on top because it's delicious, but it also just looks really aesthetically pleasing and makes me happy. So today I really wanted to focus on wiping down my kitchen because Lord knows I need a deep clean in here. I have crumbs and stickiness just everywhere. So I'm going to start off with cleaning off my kitchen table and chairs. I don't know if any of you have a preferred fall cleaning product. What I normally use is the Mrs. Meyer Acorn Spice just everyday cleaner, so I just spray down most of my surfaces with that, and then the room just smells amazing. But if you like something else, let me know so that I can try it out. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out this mini waffle maker. My mother-in-law gave this to me and it is so adorable. I love making tiny pumpkin waffles for the kids, and I don't know, they just love anything that's miniature, so they always get excited about it. And then of course, Starbucks pumpkin spice coffee grounds, because, you know, I convinced myself that I was going to stop going out for pumpkin spice lattes if I bought this. Biggest lie I've ever told myself. One thing I don't clean nearly often enough is my stove top and the actual oven inside. I think that it's just easy to want to get all the dishes into the sink and clean those, that I don't usually go back and make sure that I scrub everything else clean. So I end up with all these loose, gross crumbs that, you know, I end up sweeping away once enough has accumulated. And actually, a much easier way of handling this is probably buying stovetop covers. Usually I hear that they are much easier because everything falls on the covers, so all you have to do is pick them up, shake them out, and then you rinse them and put them back, and it's supposed to be so much easier to clean that way, and it just keeps your oven looking fresh and you don't have anything caked on and sticking to your actual stovetop. Next, I'm going to be cleaning the inside of my oven, so I'm going to be taking out the racks. I'm going to put them in my tub, fill the tub with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to mix a little bit of soap in with water along with a little bit of vinegar. Now that I'm coming back to my oven, I'm going to wipe everything down with just a little bit of soap and water. After that, I'm going to be pouring a little bit of baking soda on the places that I just really don't want to have to. So I'm going to be pouring vinegar on top of the baking soda, and I'm going to let that sit for a little while I continue to clean the rest of my kitchen. Because again, we really don't want to be wasting our time and working harder, we want to be working smarter. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the outside of the oven. I really wish I had stainless steel cleaner because even with the spray, sometimes there are still streaks and it just kind of bugs me. But I do the best with what I have. And then I'm gonna go back to my laundry and take out everything from the washer and just transfer it over into the dryer.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost
Laundry done. High five, you sexy beast. Okay, so now, bonus, moving into our second Halloween treats. We are making Monster Munch, which is so quick and easy, and the kids love it. First, you'll need to pop some popcorn. Then you're going to want to add a little bit of mini marshmallows. Next, you're going to add some candy corn, you know, not a whole lot. Maybe don't go crazy on this one, but you know, just enough. It'll look pretty. And then last, you're just gonna wanna add a good handful of M&Ms and boom, you're done. The perfect movie night snack for any Halloween movie nights. And in case you were wondering, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be snacking on this while I finish cleaning the rest of my kitchen. Hey, it's quarantine, okay? Don't judge. So one of the last things that I'm going to be quickly wiping down is the inside of my fridge. And then I'll consider myself done cleaning for the day. Hallelujah. My fridge actually isn't too bad. I just want to make sure that I give it a good wipe down to make sure that there is no sticky residue or bacteria in my fridge. Alright, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Corey's video and channel, and let me know if you like the recipes and if you want more videos like this. Don't forget, I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye! Lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.